Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate an AI image of yourself, exactly like yourself. Maybe you wish to use it for your birthday party. Maybe you wish to use it for any special event. AI can help you to do all of those things to generate a photo image of yourself, of any background, of any studio. And one good thing is that it will have a very good quality and it will give you exactly what you need. So stay true in this video as I show you how you can do that. First of all, you need to locate any image from either Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest that you wish to use. Maybe you see any photo studio that is so interesting to you. You can get it. Having gotten that image or that photo from either Facebook, Pinterest, or Instagram, you just head over to your chatgpt. From your chatgpt, you're going to upload that image, and that image is going to serve as a reference image whereby you are going to take chatgpt to describe that particular image for you. Take for instance, once you open your chatgpt, you just click on this plus sign. You see where it says add photos and files. Just click on it. Let's say we wish to use this particular image for a sample. Just click on it. Once you've done that, you are going to ask chatgpt to describe this particular image for you. This is the prompt you are going to give chatgpt to do that for you. You can just write an image prompt for the reference image in details. His full appearance, pose, and background. Can just still tell it, do not add his face and skin tone. While we are telling chatgpt this is that you are going to use your own face for all of these things. Okay, so once you are done doing that, you just hit on this arrow and it will just describe that particular image for you. Okay, so and any image that you're using, just make sure it's the one that you so wish to use. Now, having gotten this prompt, you can just copy this prompt right now and you open your Google Gemini. Once you open your Google Gemini, this is where you're going to get maybe a kind of portrait of that your image. Now just click here. For instance, you just add that your photo. Now this is the one I wish to use. Once you've added it, you just wait for it to upload. You're going to write this while maintaining, this is the prompt we're going to use for it, while maintaining the exact facial features, skin tone, and hair style. And hairstyle of the reference image. Create an image of. Now you can now paste that particular prompt that you've actually gotten from chatgpt. Now you can just paste it right now. You see all of this. Create an image of a stylish. You can see that. So it will now go through this. You just click on this and you wait for it to process. It takes just a little while for all of this to process. and at the end you will discover that you get something of a very good quality that you would have actually spent a whole lot of money to actually get. You can see what I have from this very place. Okay, and so with this right now and comparing it to that my photo, you will discover that exactly what I have in that my photo. So you can use this for your birthday, you can use it for any special event that you so wish to post your photo to the audience for them to see. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that I get notified of when I upload new videos. Thank you.